with your pockets full of dust, when you've given your all and your all is not enough, when your dreams are in pieces, shiny golds turn to rust, when you finally hit rock bottom, the only way to go is up. So buckle up, get ready for a wild ride. Life may get a little rocky, so hang on for dear life. May get mud on your boots, may have to bend a few rules. You get to live the life you want, not what others want for you. So take the risk, take the chances, chase your dreams, do the victory dances, and buckle up. When life gives you curves, you will learn to lean in. When life gives you bruises, you will learn from the pain. When you fear the danger, your iron will get it done. When they block your road, blaze a trail and make your own, and buckle up, get ready for a wild ride. Life may get a little rocky, so hang on for dear life. You may get mud on your boots, may have to bend a few rules. You get to live the life you want, not what others want for you. So take the risks, take the chances, chase your dreams, do the victory dances, and buckle up. Learn your strengths, find your passions, make new roads, clear those branches, take new steps, learn new dances, steer your life in those directions, and buckle up, get ready for a wild ride. Life may get a little rocky, so hang on for dear life. You may get mud on your boots, may have to bend a few rules. You get to live the life you want, not what others want for you. So take the risks, take the chances, chase your dreams, do the victory dance.